Okay, exercise 3G, we're looking at setting up and solving simple non-linear equations. Okay, so non-linear means that we're looking at variables with powers other than 1. Okay, so for example, the following are non-linear. So this is non-linear because you've got an x to the power of 2. Okay, this is non-linear because the d has a to the power of 2. And this is non-linear because it's got an x to the power of 3. So with non-linear ones, to get rid of the operation, okay, so squaring a number is an operation. Okay, so like this, x squared. So to get rid of the x squared, you square root. Okay, and if you're square rooting a number, okay, so to undo the square root, then you square it. Okay. So they are the inverse. It's like three. If you've got a x to the power of 3, to get rid of it, you cube root it, which is this. Okay, I don't think you'll get many of those though. You'll mostly be working with powers of 2. To solve them, so solving squares by hand. Okay, if you have x squared equals 36, so what this is saying is which number to the power of 2 equals 36. So what times what equals 36? To do this, you do the inverse operation. Okay, so to get rid of the square, you square root, which means whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other side, which means you square root the other side. Okay, so that gets rid of each other, so you end up with this x equals, okay, square root of 36 is 6 or negative 6. Okay, it's important because 6 times 6 is 36 and negative 6 times negative 6. Okay, so it could be positive or negative, and that's what this little symbol here means, positive or negative. Okay, and yeah, it does have a little note here about it anyway. Method 2 is using your CAS. Hopefully you're getting used to this by now, but you can go to the solve function and it will tell you what x is. Solving cubes, as I said before, okay, to get rid of the little 3, you cube root the number. Okay, so what that is finding a number you multiply 3 times to get that number. So you can have a look here, but you can just use your CAS like you usually do. Alright, and that's exercise 3G.